Hello everyone, welcome to Cook Bites. I am Trupti Saxena. Today recipe is Avil milkshake. Let's see the ingredient first. Peanuts, mashed banana, rice flakes, cashew nuts, banana milkshake. First, dry roast rice flakes till it become crispy. Take them in a bowl. Now, dry roast peanuts. Take the peanuts in a bowl. Take 1 glass. Transfer mashed banana to the glass. Then, add rice flakes, and add peanuts, and pour the banana milkshake. Again repeat the process. Add rice flakes and add mashed banana and add peanuts and pour the milkshake. Now add banana and peanuts and add rice flakes and pour the banana milkshake. Repeat and garnishing with peanuts and chopped cashew nuts. Now Avil milkshake recipe is ready. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.